entrepreneurs start with a traditional business plan, a 50-page document that takes weeks to write and often goes unread. This process replaces that text-heavy approach with a single-page blueprint, mapping your entire business strategy onto a visual grid. To begin, print the template on a large A1 or A0 canvas. You will also need a stack of colorful sticky notes, thick markers, and a dedicated 2 to 4 hour block of time. Building this canvas requires a cross-functional team, including founders, product managers, and sales leads. Working alone creates strategic blind spots that can undermine the model later. Collaborative building transforms your strategy into a shared hypothesis, allowing every department to align on how the company creates and delivers value. Step 1 is preparing the environment. Assign a specific color of sticky note to each customer group you plan to serve to keep their respective segments visually distinct on the board. Use short, keyword-focused phases on your notes. Brief entries are easier for a team to read, move, and categorize than dense paragraphs. We begin with Step 2, customer segments. Every business model starts by defining exactly who is being served before the product features are even discussed. Consider AgriConnect, a farm-to-table platform. Their first customer segment consists of rural, small-scale farmers in Tamil Nadu who require a direct path to market. As a multi-sided platform, they also serve a second interdependent segment, urban consumers and restaurants in cities like Chennai that need fresh produce delivered daily. Step 3 is defining your value propositions. For each segment, you must identify the specific problem you are solving or the core job to be done you are satisfying. Ensure you focus on outcomes and benefits. Technical features are only valuable to the customer if they result in a specific, measurable improvement to their current situation. Products that lack a clearly defined target audience or a validated problem to solve typically fail to find traction in the marketplace. Step 4 is mapping your channels. You must determine how the business reaches each segment across 5 phases: awareness, evaluation, purchase, delivery, and after-sales support. Continually assess your distribution and communication paths. The goal is to reach your customers through methods that are both effective and cost-efficient. Step 5 involves defining your customer relationships. Every segment has different expectations for how they interact with your brand. For example, high-value clients may require dedicated account managers, while large-scale segments often prefer automated self-service portals and community forums. A competitive product relies on functional delivery mechanisms and support structures that are properly aligned with what the customer expects. Now, move to Step 7, key resources. Work backward from your value proposition to determine exactly which assets are essential to make that promise a reality. These assets generally fall into 4 categories: physical machinery, specialized human expertise, intellectual property like patents, or financial credit lines. Step 8 defines your key activities. These are the most critical actions the business must perform daily to operate successfully and maintain its competitive advantage. Review your list and remove any activity that does not directly support the delivery of your value proposition. If it doesn't create value, it should be automated or delegated. Step 9 is mapping your key partnerships. List the external suppliers and allies essential to your operations and document the specific value you exchange with each. This left side of the canvas reveals the operational machinery required to transform your strategy into a functional reality for the customer. Step 6 focuses on revenue streams. We shift our attention back to the right side to determine how each customer segment will generate incoming cash. Pricing models include one-time asset sales or recurring subscription plans, as well as licensing fees. Distinguish incoming streams from actual profit. Step 10 is your cost structure. Review your key resources, activities, and partnerships to list all the fixed and variable expenses required to run the model. Identify your top 3 primary cost drivers. Knowing which expenses have the largest impact on your bottom line allows the team to focus on the most effective optimization strategies. To check the financial viability of the model, weigh your projected revenue streams against the total cost structure. A business model where operational costs consistently exceed incoming revenue at scale lacks the financial sustainability required for long-term survival. Once the board is filled, the individual sticky notes form a complete picture of how your enterprise operates and generates value. You now have a single-page map that illustrates the interconnections between your operations, your customers, and your finances. Avoid the mistake of treating this finished canvas as a static document to be filed away. At this stage, your sticky notes represent unproven assumptions. Your next task is to take this model into the field and validate these ideas with real customers. The business model canvas serves as the starting line for an adaptable, living company.